Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to work on the if statement where if user has already added something to the cart. So if user has already added something to the cart, we need to check whether the new product is one of the products that the user has already added to the cart or not. To do this, we need to create a new variable called product products products underscore array IDs, which is going to return an array with all products that with all product IDs that have been added to the cart, and that can be done using the array column function. If I say array column and if I pass the session to it, session cart, and then if I pass the column that I'm interested in, so the column is the product ID. I'm going to say product ID. This is going to return an array with all products products IDs. So for example, if I added product that has an ID of 2 and 3 and 4 and 10 and 15, then this array is going to return these IDs. And then we need to use if statement to check whether the product has already been added or not. So I'm going to say if that product is not in the array, if in array, and then if it's not in the array, the product ID comma, and then products array IDs. Let me explain this. I'm gonna add here curly brackets. So this is gonna check, this if statement is gonna check if product has already been added or not, added to cart or not. How? By comparing this function in array is going to try to find if this product ID is one of the product array IDs, is one of the elements of the products array IDs. So if that ID exists in this products array IDs, then we need to tell the user here, we need to say here in this case, product has already been added. Here, if not, then we need to add it to a cart. So here in this if, we need to add it to the cart, and to add that to the cart, we need to create to create an array like this. We need to create a code like this, and add that to the session cart. So I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to paste this code here. But I'm going to fix a few things. Let me push this, and then I'm going to fix a few things. First, we need to say product ID is equal to the ID. That's fine. And then we need to pass these here in this array. This is also fine. And finally, we need to add this array. So there is nothing is going to be different. But instead of creating this long code, we can, for the sake of making everything simple, we can insert the post parameters immediately. So we can say here product underscore ID immediately without creating these parameters. So without creating these parameters, because it's just going to take more code. If you don't want to do this, you can use the post request immediately, like this. This is just going to reduce the number of lines we have in our code. So as you can see here, I removed these lines, and now our code is much smaller, much shorter. Now, for in case the user has already added this product to cart, we need to tell them. We need to say, for example, echo script